Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I'm back today with another Trader Joe's haul. I went there yesterday and discovered a lot of items that I've never tried before or items that are just new to the store in general. So I'm excited to share everything with you and I can't wait to really try some of these items out because I've kept them all away so that I can do this haul and share everything. So if you guys love Trader Joe's, if you love haul, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, so let's go ahead and start with my Hello Kitty bag, which my mother-in-law got for me, so thank you. So the first thing here is a cereal. It's a organic coconut almond cereal. Cereal is something that I usually don't get, but I was kind of curious and I like to kind of switch it up every once in a while. I had this Summit cereal that I was getting from Costco a lot, and this one I was kind of just comparing and contrasting all the cereals that they had at Trader Joe's. This one has 8 grams of sugar, so even though that's still kind of a lot, but it's less than the other ones, and it's for 2/3 of a cup, so almost a cup. So figured maybe sometimes I can just have this with a little bit of unsweetened almond milk and it would be an awesome quick breakfast. All kind of wholesome ingredients. I wasn't too disappointed with it. So anyways, I'm excited to try this out. Whole wheat pita bread. This is something that I wanted to use for lunch this week. There is, let's see, 6 pieces, so that's perfect for lunch. I'm gonna be out a couple days this week, and so I like to meal prep and have everything ready for my husband, even if I'm not there. So I'm gonna be making some tofu, Mediterranean style, I don't know, pita breads. I'm not really quite sure what I'm gonna be making. All right, next up, I've got 2 cans of corn. These are just canned corn, but what I like about this is that it's naturally sweet and crisp, no sugar added, no preservatives. So the ingredients are just corn, water, and salt. So I got this because I got the everything but the elote seasoning. I finally got my hands on it, so I'm really excited. The one thing that I don't really like particularly is that there is cane sugar as the first ingredient, and you know, why seasoning has to have sugar in it, I'm not really sure. I mean, yes, some seasonings do, but I was just a little disappointed that it's the first ingredient, which means that it's the most used ingredient in this jar. So anyways, that is okay. I'm still super excited to try this out. That is why I got 2 cans of corn and then some frozen roasted corn to also throw into this. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just make a really nice side dish that has roasted corn, regular corn, and then this seasoning, and then maybe some scallions, maybe some beans. I'm not really sure, but I'm very excited to experiment with this. Savory banana and nuts mix. I usually never get these types of things, but this one didn't have really that bad ingredients. Banana chips, cashews, pecans, coconut aminos, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, sea salt, spices, onion powder, garlic powder. So really simple ingredients. These are a great snack, way better than having a bag of chips or something like that, so I figured why not. Vegetable biryani with vegetable dumplings. I had this at my mother-in-law's house and it was actually really good, really delicious, especially for being a frozen meal. And so I figured this is great to just have in the freezer for whenever we don't have time to make something, and it's got pretty good ingredients, nothing too crazy. So yeah, I'm excited for this. It's delicious. If you want to give it a try, it's totally vegetarian, and it's actually, I think, vegan because it doesn't have any dairy or any other type of animal products. So anyways, really excited. But it's the Thai tea mochi. They have all types of mochi flavors now. This one I like because I was reading the ingredients. It has coconut milk instead of regular milk. So I like that there's no cream or any type of dairy in this. So it's very plant-based friendly. Sweet potatoes. Basically, these are Japanese sweet potatoes that are white inside. I don't know. I kind of just like these a little bit better. I don't know what it is. I feel like they're a little bit less sweet. Could totally be me. I'm not sure, but I like these and grabbed a bag. All right, I caved and I got this vegan chickenless seasoning salt. I got this because people were raving about it, and actually I made a mashed cauliflower on my Instagram stories. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. It's Life Tastefully Balanced, but I made a mashed cauliflower with this vegan chickenless seasoning salt. So it turned out really good. I describe this as topper ramen. So back in the day when you used to have the very cheap topper ramen, I'm talking I forget what the brand was, was, but it was just the orange square ones that you bought at Costco. But those ones had the little seasoning packets. This is exactly like that, the chicken flavored one, if you ever had those. This is how that tastes exactly. So if you like that, you're definitely gonna like this. Just mangoes, I always get this and it's just great because the only ingredient is mangoes. Some chopped medjool dates. These are great because they're rolled in coconut flour. So they're little bits that are then rolled in coconut flour so that they stay separated and just don't clump up together. But I thought this would be great for salads. I recently just went to a restaurant and it was I forget, an apple kale type of salad, but then they put a lot of like dried fruits in it, like figs and then dates. And so I definitely want to recreate it. And I think I need to have like a salad month again here on my channel because I love salads, and no, not just your Caesar salads because that's boring. I love salads that have greens in them, that have depth to them, that are savory, that are sweet. So anyways, I thought this would be perfect for salads. Next up, I'm gonna go through this little bucket that I have with all my fridge items. So here I've got the Green Goddess dressing. This dressing is so popular and I can see why because it's delicious. It's a avocado, green onion, cold pressed lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic dressing. Love this, so good. Vegan cheese, I can't remember if I liked this brand or not. I wanna say I didn't, but now that I feel like my palate's changed a little bit from being a little bit more plant-based, I feel like I wanted to give it another shot. So I'll let you know. This is something that I've already shared a lot of times. It's a broccoli slaw. I like to use it to bulk up my salads, nothing really special. Plant-based deli slices, hickory smoked. These are just tofu slices that are hickory smoked flavor. I've had this before and it's really good. Next up, I've got this lentil soup with ancient greens. I love this. This is so delicious. They were sampling this actually at my Trader Joe's that I went to, and it was really good. And I looked at the ingredients and basically it's everything that I would use to make this soup. And I figured this would be great for meal prepping. And then one thing that I do think I'm gonna do is kind of thin it out a little bit and then maybe add some meatballs or something. Meatballs, I have these meatless meatballs that I haven't used yet. So that was gonna be my plan for that. Is a rainbow wrap, roasted sweet potato, curried hummus, beet, and spinach. Never tried this before. It looks so beautiful because of all the different colors. And just look at how pretty that is, all the different colors of the rainbow. So I figured I would go ahead and try this out. I might not be pronouncing this right, but zhang sauce, a very spicy green herbal sauce with Yemeni roots. So this has cilantro, canola oil, jalapeno peppers, chili flakes, garlic, cardamom, sea salt, and cumin seed. You guys already know how much I love my hot sauces, so I thought this would be perfect. This I'm very excited about. This is a brand new item at Trader Joe's and I'm very excited to try it out. Of course, mac and cheese, not the healthiest. Even if it's vegan, still not the healthiest because it still has a lot of butter and that kind of thing. But I decided to give this one a try. I thought I could maybe add some vegetables to it. Broccoli sounds good, cauliflower maybe. But yeah, I'm excited for this. So if you are plant-based, that is now available at Trader Joe's. Vegetables for you guys, I've got an eggplant and some zucchini. I just like to rotate my vegetables, so I figured why not try these two for the week. All right, next up, I've already opened it up, but I've shared this before with you. It is the jerk style plantain chips. Love this, so delicious, has a nice little kick to it. So if you don't like spicy, you might not like this. My husband can have probably a few and then he's like, oh, nope. So I love it, it's absolutely delicious. Let's go to Trader Joe's and get one of these big sparkling waters. They're only 99 cents, so I mean, why not? Gyoza dipping sauce, I saw someone use it and they said it was delicious, so I'm gonna try it out. And the last item I have in my bag is these traditional marinara sauce. 2 bottles of this because I think I've mentioned this before. It's favorite marinara sauces at least Trader Joe's. It's got tomato puree, diced tomatoes, in tomato juice, salt, expeller pressed soybean oil, dried garlic, dried onion, dried tomato, dried basil, dried oregano. So really clean ingredients, which is why I like it. And there's no added sugar. So I like to always have it on hand. All right, there you guys go. That is my haul from Trader Joe's. I actually got a lot of items that I've never tried before, which is awesome because usually I stick to my basics. I maybe get 1 or 2 items, but I feel like I got got a good handful of items that I haven't tried. So I'm excited to turn this video off and try some of these in recipes. I'll let you guys know, if you follow me on Life Tastefully Balanced on Instagram, you kind of get behind the scenes of what my day-to-day looks like when it comes to food. So if you're interested in that, you should definitely follow me. So if you guys love Trader Joe's, if you love hauls, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.